This is Shaggy the Wonder Dog, the taste test, and today our contestant is Shaggy the Wonder Dog, and we will be putting out two foods and see which one Shaggy said which one is his favorite. And our first foods are peanut butter and bread. Okay, Shaggy's gonna go. Ready? Go.
Looks like Shaggy ate the peanut butter first.
And the bread second. Now the new trial is dog food versus ice. Let's see which one he likes first. Ready? Go, go. Go.
Neither wins. It looks like he's looking for more peanut butter. Oh!
Looks like he ate the dog food. Okay, now this is one of our main trials because this is a treat and turkey. And he likes those the best out of these, other than peanut butter. So let's see which one he likes best. Looks like the treat, people. Looks like the treat. And now the turkey.
The treat and then the turkey.
Okay, this is carrot versus cheese, and we are gonna see which one he likes best. Looks like the cheese is first.
Okay, this is the main event. We are trying all the four that he liked the best and tell you which one he liked the first, the best, the second, the best, the third, the best. Shaggy is really rambunctious, you can see. Now we are going to find out.
The treat, then the peanut butter, then the cheese.
Okay, and the one he liked best was the T-R-E-A-T, which is treat, and then the peanut butter, and then the cheese. And then remember, the dog food is disqualified because I touched it before he ate. We're going to interview Shaggy and see how he acts after, but he will not talk. Did you like that? Look at Daddy. Thank you for watching Shaggy the Wonder Dog Taste Test. We will be making more movies, so thank you for tuning in and watching our movies.